In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments in USD on Stripe. First, let's get your Stripe account ready to settle in US dollars. In your dashboard, open Settings. Then go to Business Settings and choose Bank Accounts and Currencies. Here, add a USD bank account that can receive ACE or wire payouts and set it as the payout destination for USD. If your business operates in multiple currencies, this creates a dedicated USD balance and makes sure your US dollar sales land in the correct account. Double-check the legal name and account details you enter. They must match your business records to avoid payout delays. Stripe may prompt you to verify the bank before payouts begin. So keep an eye out for any quick verification steps or confirmation messages. Next, when you create ways for customers to pay, whether that's a payment link or an invoice, set the currency to USD. On the product or invoice setup page, pick USDF from the currency dropdown, then enter your price in dollars. Customers will see and pay in USD at checkout, which keeps everything consistent with your payout currency. This is especially useful if you primarily sell to US-based buyers or want predictable dollar amounts for bookkeeping. For larger or business-to-business transactions, enable USD bank transfers so customers can pay directly from their bank. When this is turned on, Stripe provides dedicated routing and account numbers in USD for your customer or their specific payment. Share those details within the invoice or checkout instructions when prompted by Stripe, and let the customer know whether you are expecting an ACE or a wire. This method is great for high payments because it often comes with lower fees than cards and tends to be more reliable for big invoices. Funds will land in your USD balance, and Stripe helps reconcile the payment to the correct invoice. Finally, if you happen to charge in another currency, say Euros, Stripe will convert those funds to USD using Stripe's exchange rate at the time of conversion. You'll see the converted amount in your USD balance. Keep in mind that exchange rates fluctuate and may include a conversion fee. So it's a good practice to review your payouts and statements to understand the final amounts you'll receive. If you want predictability, consider charging in USD when it makes sense for your audience. That's it, your account is set up to receive payments in USD. Invoice confidently, handle large transfers, and manage conversions smoothly. Thanks for watching.